Hey guys, it is Jack and Dad here from Card Fun 101. One of the gifts I got for Christmas. By the way, Merry Christmas, guys. If you don't celebrate that, Happy Holidays.
Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate that, there's something wrong. Okay, anyway.
I got this as one of my gifts, Series 6 autographed hockey puck. You can pull a lot of good out of these. And then a lot of players. It's just like if you pull, it's kind of like, oh. I see.
18 Series 6.
Yeah.
You can just rip it. Here you go.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to get it.
All right. I'm anxious.
Me too.
Blackhawks.
Roenick. Who is it? Andrew Shaw.
Is
Nice.
it? Oh, that's nice. I'll take that. Let me see.
That looks like Roenick for a second. I don't know why. Nice. Andrew
Nice.
Shaw.
Sweet.
I like that.
All right. Well, there's the puck. What's it say in the back? Oh, that's the COA.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Very good. Well, like this
Nice.
video. Love this
Yeah.
video. Press all those buttons we like.
Like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.
All right. Bye.
Peace.